this fabulous experience on Ikaria and Diane Kachelis's fabulous cooking class. It was a wonderful way for us to connect with our Greek roots. Ευχαριστούμε.
It's really a spectacular experience. I feel like I learned so much every day, both in the history of the island, but also how it connects to the food and how that food connection factors into America and our sort of upbringing as a Greek American family. It's really been lovely. I've picked up so many great recipes, learned so much, and it's just been an honor and a pleasure to be here and learn from Diane. She's brilliant.
Yeah, I mean, they definitely said it. We had an amazing time this week. I think that for me, a few things stood out. The opportunity to expand on the knowledge that we already had as Greek Americans about Greek cooking. If you're a Greek American family considering doing this and feel like, oh, we already know how to make this funny copula, please come, because you will learn stuff about Greek food and Greek culture that you didn't even know you wanted to learn. And then you also have this really unique opportunity to meet people and create a little community in about a week, sharing over food and wine and the best culture in the world.
Indeed.
Yeah.